This video explains how to create a card and account in an EPnet system when you're using keycode cards and a back office card reader on the workstation. First of all, you go to Database and you go down to Cards. When you're using keycode cards, the keycode is the number that's important and the card number is simply a consecutive number used to identify. So we simply press star and we click the insert key that has now turned blue, and it enters card number 1 for us. And this card belongs to Sarah Martins, so we type her name in there. Then we click on the keycode box and we take Sarah Martin's card and we touch it on the back office card reader, and it automatically enters the keycode into the system. If you want to, you can then add various other parameters on this card. We can set date limits for starting and ending the card. We can select the card type. It will almost always be a standard card unless you're operating a specific kind of system. Under the options, you can apply a tariff. So Sarah Martins is a member of staff, so she is in the staff tariff. You can apply an end date if you want to, and so on. Once you've finished entering the card information, you click Update, and it now has updated card number 1 for Sarah Martins with that key code. Now the card information is all in. You go to Database and you go to Account Number, to the account definition, and you enter the account number. And Sarah, the account number is almost always a payroll number or an employee number, and in this case it's QSL 369A. So we enter that into the system, and again we click Insert to add it as a new account. We type her name in the description box, and then when we get to the card number box, we enter that card number 1 as her keycode card was defined. Once we've entered this information, again we have the option of entering the account type, be it prepaid or credit account, and you can see here the prepaid account can have an overdraft limit attached to it, a credit account can have a credit limit attached to it, and you can see down the bottom, as always, it's telling you what the various options are and what you can select for them. You can select cost codes and limits, as I say, and then you've got options. You can attach allergies to the person and so on. So there are various options again available for each person's account. Once you've finished, you can click Update, and now that has finished creating the person Sarah Martin's account and her card. If we go to Read and click on Go To, it'll take us to the card, and there's all the card details that we had previously. If for any reason Sarah loses her card, we simply go in, we remove that key code number, and we touch her new key code on the reader, and it adds her new key code details to the card and the account, so she now has updated her card from a lost card.